Imagine stepping onto a soft, powdery beach where the sand feels like silk beneath your feet. The Maldives is home to some of the most breathtaking beaches in the world, each with its own unique charm. First up is the iconic Mafushi Beach, known for its vibrant local culture and stunning turquoise waters. Here, you can enjoy thrilling water sports or simply relax under a palm tree, soaking in the sun. Next, we have the serene and secluded Veligandu Island Beach. This spot is perfect for couples seeking romance, with its crystal-clear lagoon and breathtaking sunsets that paint the sky in hues of orange and pink. Then there's the famous Bikini Beach on Rasdhoo Island, a haven for sunbathers and snorkelers alike. The underwater life here is incredible, with colorful coral reefs teeming with vibrant fish, making it a must-visit for marine enthusiasts. Don't miss out on the stunning sandbank at Fulhadhoo. This hidden gem offers an untouched paradise where you can enjoy the tranquility of the ocean, far from the crowds. Moving on to the picturesque Thoddoo, known for its surf breaks and lively atmosphere. It's a hotspot for adventure seekers with waves that attract surfers from all over the globe. Next, we explore the luxurious Coco Island Beach, where overwater bungalows meet pristine sands. This is the ultimate escape for those looking to indulge in luxury while surrounded by nature's beauty. Then there's the breathtaking Dagura Beach, famous for its long stretch of sand and incredible whale shark sightings. Swimming with these gentle giants is an experience you won't forget. Don't overlook the stunning beaches of Kanuhura, where you can enjoy a private island experience, complete with lush greenery and serene lagoons. And finally, we arrive at the enchanting Sunsiam Iru Fushi Beach, where the sunsets are nothing short of magical, creating a perfect backdrop for an unforgettable evening. Each beach in the Maldives offers its own slice of paradise, inviting you to explore, relax, and create memories that will last a lifetime.